right, so we checked the bubble. It looks like we have to come up on this side. I guess I'm gonna put one block under there, back it up onto the block, and then it should be closer to level. So we reach into our storage bin. We got pads all provided for you. We'll throw one under each outrigger. But more importantly, this is what we're going to back up onto. That's perfect. So we'll go back to unhook. You check the level. We don't need to come up or down anymore, but we do need to disconnect the hitch. So we're going to go through that. First thing I always like to do, disconnect your umbilical cord, your safety chains. So here's the trick. The load levels are under tension. The quickest way to get these out of tension jack it up while it's still hooked up to the truck, still hooked up to the hitch. You come up, they pop out. And that's it. The truck's unhooked. These guys pop straight up out of the top. And they'll live right back in the compartment until your trip's over. Looks like the tongue is a little bit high. Bring it down to level. Man, that looks really good. The next, an electric drill that makes the outriggers very simple to unwind. These are not levelers, they're simply stabilizers. So you want to hit the pad, snug it up a little bit, and that's it. Same thing in the back. Don't pinch your fingers. That's it, we're stabilized. All right, trailer's leveled. Now we're ready to start hooking it up. First thing I always do is electric. That way, if it's really hot out, I can get the air conditioner running and get the inside cooled off. Then water. Then last but not least, the sewer hookup. So everything that you're gonna need, it lives right in this basement bin. So we have our freshwater hose. In this bin we have our surge protector for our 30 amp power hookup, as well as a water filter. So the first thing we're going to do is the 30 amp power hookup. What I always like to do is I'll come over and I'll plug it into the power. in any power pedestal, you'll see you'll usually have a 20 amp, a 30 amp, and a 50 amp. This trailer here is a 30 amp, so I have this 30 amp hookup. I'll plug in the power strip, turn on the 30 amp breaker, and then make sure I have green lights before I plug the camper in. That means my power is okay. Turn it back off. All right, my power hookup is hiding behind this little door right here. It's 30 amp cord. It's literally just shoved into a box in there. This comes out. Again, the breaker's off now. Again, plug it in to the line conditioner. Breaker's on. We got power. So right now, if you wanted to jump in there, turn the air conditioner on, turn the refrigerator on, get your stuff chilling, so you're ready for the camp for the weekend. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to hook up the water. So in the same bin, up in the front, we have a water hose, and we have a water filter. In your park is going to have a park water hookup. This just happens to be on this side. Nothing but a garden hose. Side, you'll see city water connection. It's just below your gravity fill for your freshwater tank, but we're not going to use a freshwater tank today, so we're just going to hook up to city water because the park has water available to us. Up. All right, I just made sure that nothing was running inside after I hooked the water up. We're pressurized. The hot water tank is filling up. So last but not least, this is everybody's joy of camping, is hooking up the Stinky Slinky. So in this particular camper, the Stinky Slinky is living in the bumper. This cap simply pulls off. And there it is, the infamous Stinky Slinky. Just make sure before you ever take this cap off, make sure both of these, this is your gray water drain line and your black water drain line. They're gray handle, black handle. You want to make sure that they're both closed before this cap comes off. Here we go now. This little fancy orange piece has threads on it for different size. This park is going to, it'll thread right into this park. It's nice and tight. That guy snaps in, and we're done. You're hooked up. That's it. That's that you're hooked up. Let's go inside and see what we have to do in there. All right. So the first thing I would do when I came in here is I would turn the air conditioner on, but it will be a little bit noisy right now. So we know nothing's leaking. We know nothing's going on. If you needed heat, the heat would be over here by the bunks on the wall. The air conditioner is up on the ceiling. Refrigerator's on because we're hooked up to shore power. Other than that, we're pretty much ready to camp. I'm going to come over and look at the control panel here. Here we are at the control panel. It's pretty simple. It's labeled. This button here is for the awning in and out. Water pump, on, off. Also your water heater, the propane has to be on. The lights for the awning, the lights for inside. The gauges up top show you if your tanks are full. Gray, black, fresh water, and also the battery. Just press the button and it'll show on this gauge above it where you are with your levels. That's especially important for your black and gray water tanks when you're camping. That's it. I'm gonna go check out the bathroom real quick. And here it is with the front Murphy bed down. Let me put this awning out. A great feature. All right, you just watched the video on how to start it up. A couple quick things before you go on your way. Please, a lot of water in the toilet. The black tank's 30 gallons, so you can fill it up. It helps flush, helps keep everything clean. Also, when you use the shower, please, please, please use the vent in the ceiling. And in this RV and any other RV, use the vent in the shower. Moisture inside an RV is the enemy. Also, if there's anything that you have any questions about, any concerns with, please don't hesitate to contact us by text, by email, through the website that you booked from. We're available to help you and make sure that your trip is enjoyable for you with not a lot of work. And we want you to come back. So if there's anything that we could do better, please let us know. Also, like, subscribe, hit in the comments on our YouTube channel, Rated RV. And the website is there for you as well, ratedrv.com. So enjoy. If you need to watch the wrap-up video, it's the opposite of what you just watched. But have a great time. And again, thanks for watching.